Good. As soon as you are done with this part, you can just close the admin center, come back to the maker portal and go navigate to your solution, the event organizing solution. The reason I'm asking you to do this is to get the understanding of the API and the endpoints which are accessible in Dataverse. So you just select your table. Let's start with the event first. If you come up here into the tools, you will see the API link to the table definition and the table data. So try to open both of them in a new tab and you will see the table definition is like this. It's better to copy it into the Visual Studio Code to be able to better view it. After you paste this JSON string into the Visual Studio Code and format it properly, you will see the schema name and everything you need to get access to this table in the future. So just memorize that you have this option here, and also there is something else that we are going to use it very soon, which is the API link to the table data. Let's see what it is. This is very interesting actually. So if I just come here and paste it and try to format it again, you will see that the data that we have entered is here actually. The event for hiking, the event for photography, and any other data that we enter to this table, it will be available here. So this is basically the endpoint that you can use. Just look at it. It is your organization /API /the data, because you are going to get the data, the version of the API that you are using. Maybe one day it is 9.4, 9.5, I don't know, maybe it is version 10 or whatever, maybe it is 9.0. You can just change it and see what other versions do you have here in your environment. But it usually opens the last version. And then you will see the name of the table. This is very interesting. The name of the table that we saw in this definition. So you have this, and of course you can add other filters. This is just the OData, and you can search and understand how OData works. But this is as simple as this. You got access to the HTTP endpoint for this table.